Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare bell pepper chutney. Ingredients for bell pepper chutney: 1 tablespoon chana dal, 4 red chilli, small piece of tamarind, salt to taste, small piece of asafoetida, that is hing, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 capsicum. Unrequired oil. Keep the pan in flame. Remove the center portion of bell pepper. Which is with seeds. We have removed only the center part of bell pepper. Add some gingerly oil, sesame seed oil. We are using sesame seed oil. If you are having cooking oil, in that one also, no problem. We are using sesame seed oil, that is gingerly oil. Add the red chilli. Going to add the chana dal, that is gram dal. Then urad dal. So now the dal turns to golden brown color. We are going to add the tamarind and salt. Always fry the tamarind and salt. It's very good for health. We have to remove this one from the flame. We are adding little oil to fry the hing, asafoetida. So remove this one from the flame. We have to fry the bell pepper. So we have to grind all the ingredients in the blender. It got fried now. So we're going to switch off the flame. In the heat itself it will cook the rest. So we switch off the flame. No need of more flame. After some time we will grind this one in the blender. Let it cool for some time. The ingredients got cooled. We are transferring the ingredients to the blender jar. Everything is inside. Urad dal, gram dal, red chilli, capsicum, piece of hing, tamarind and salt. After grinding, if salt required, you can add more. So we grind it as a paste. You have to grind like this. If you want water, little more water you can add. So now it is ready. We are going to transfer this one to the bowl. This is the side dish for idli, dosa, pongal, upma, anything it will do. So we are transferring to the bowl. Bellpepper chutney from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.